What's going on, motivators? That's fine. What's going on, motivators? Alejandro Cantos here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can generate over $27,000 per month just by creating a new Facebook group around the Clickfunnels Platinum membership and adding your affiliate link into the approval questions section for new members looking to join in. Now let's jump into my live stream. In case you didn't know, right now Facebook groups is one of the easiest and fastest ways for you to grow your list of members who are interested in your market and in your product. You can promote affiliate links, do upsells, engage the community, and have complete control over all your leads, as well as to set up rules as of who can join your community and collect their contact information when they do so. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Number one, open up a Facebook group for Platinum members only. I just did it as I finished posting this video, by the way. This is a high ticket item and with a huge fan base. So this is a great opportunity for you to add exclusivity. Step number two, add your affiliate link into one of the approval questions sections for people looking to join into your exclusive club and are not yet part of the Platinum membership. So this is an easy way for you as an authority and gatekeeper to promote your offer and require non-Platinum members to sign up in order for them to be part of your Facebook group. Think about it. Right now, there's no groups catering to this growing community yet. The market is there and it's so early that there isn't a Facebook group in there yet. Other than mine, of course. I jumped in, claimed my piece of digital real estate this evening, but I know it won't be as successful as if one of you guys, as a hardcore Clickfunnels fan who knows everything about the Platinum platform, grows the group to hundreds, if not thousands of new members. Imagine how many of them are looking to upgrade to the Platinum tier and are looking to join your group and decide to use your link. You can always incentivize the members by making your offer more attractive and adding bonuses and training for free if they use your link. And you only need 100 members to make over $27,000 per month. Just take a look at other ClickFunnels groups with over 69,000 members, who most of them are probably have an active ClickFunnels account and are fans of the software. So I really hope that one of you guys just shoots me a message a few months down the road and lets me know that this worked for you. But you really have to jump into this right now because the price is about to jump to $697. So if you've been on the fence for some reason, you need to do this right now before the $400 price increase. I left you a link down below. So if you don't have a ClickFunnels account yet and are looking to do this or a different type of strategy, I have some awesome bonuses for you. Number one, no matter what plan you have, you need traffic into your offers and you need people to come into your Facebook group. If you use my link to open your account, I'm gonna give you free access to our Unlimited Traffic Academy, showing you how to successfully grow a Facebook group and grow a YouTube channel 100% for free. I'm also gonna give you access to the solo ads and the Google Ads Traffic Academy. Also, I'm gonna include my 3 marketing strategies to make money online right now, including how to do agency work. Plus, I'm gonna give you my Blackbook of digital marketing with hundreds of free stock photos, videos, icons, and analytics tools. I really hope you found this short video helpful. Let me know if you're jumping in or if you plan to wait or if you're moving into a different funnel company. I'll leave you my #1 alternative to ClickFunnels down below, plus some extra bonuses as well. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Alejandro and I can't wait to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.